Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Dr. Esmaili. I wanted to talk today a little bit about what people go through during the holidays. I know this is a very busy, can be a very stressful time, and also can be a very happy time for people. There's a lot more responsibilities and tasks and strain on people. And there recently was a poll done by Morning Consult on behalf of the American Psychiatric Association of 2,201 adults. And I wanted to go over some of the results of this, and we can look at that here. So, one of the top anxieties, these things can be a strain on people, particularly when their budgets are tight, worrying about how they're going to interact with families, loneliness, and discussing politics with loved ones. There's generational differences, even among friends, different politics. So these came up more with the young and people with children. On the positive side of the survey, there was 41% of people that said they were looking forward to seeing family and friends. That gave them a good feeling. And another good chunk of people, 24%, they were looking forward to eating good food. So, just as we go through that list, I wonder, we can all reflect on it, what resonates with us, what stands out, and kind of, we can relate to our own lives. And, I wanted to go through some tips for self-care that can help with stress. So exercise is definitely important. This can help with anxiety, depression, but also just stress. Getting good nutrition, good food. There can be a lot of sort of processed foods and higher calorie, fat, and sugar content to food during the holidays. So that can affect the way we feel and our stress levels. Trying to get back to some of that healthy eating. Mindfulness meditation, it's basically kind of getting into the senses, and spending time away from our thoughts, not judging them. There's a lot of resources on that. That can also be helpful for stress. Setting boundaries with family and friends. Sometimes we need to say no, and that can be hard. Delegating tasks, asking for help. That's another important one. We may feel overwhelmed with the volume of tasks. Keep it in perspective, too. January 2nd is coming. This won't last forever. The holidays is not always going to be here. Gratitude. We may be feeling what we don't have in our lives during the holidays, but really thinking about what we do have and trying to focus on the positives is important, and sometimes, particularly in anxiety and depression, those can be overlooked. Get back to that normal rhythm as best you can. Your routine may be disrupted during the holidays, but getting back to doing things at the same time, exercise, meals, seeing people, trying to get that back on a normal schedule as much as possible can help. And if you're seeing a therapist, a psychiatrist, maybe checking in with them if you're feeling symptoms getting triggered during this time, and seeing whether medication adjustments or higher amounts or frequency of therapy is helpful. So I wanted to wish everyone an enjoyable and healthy holiday season on behalf of the MFC team, and we will see you guys next time.